Hey guys, so we're off to Shibuya today. I'm gonna go downtown. I'm gonna just going down to get a haircut, and then I'm gonna show you around the city. I'm not a big fan of Shibuya. For me, it's a bit too crowded, but I know some of you guys will be interested to see. So I'm gonna take you along the way, show you some of the sights, and then we may visit Yamashita Park if the weather holds out. It looks like it's a bit of a rainy day, so let's go. So this place that I'm going to get my haircut is called QB House. Basically what they specialize in is really cheap 10-minute haircuts. You go in there, it takes 10 minutes to cut your hair. It costs around $10 US. They do a really good job. They're really quick. And then they actually vacuum your head when they're all done. So this is the place I go. I usually go and get my hair cut about once every 2 weeks. So I usually come down to Shibuya. I only live really maybe a 5-minute train ride from here. So it's quite convenient, but it's a lot busier than the area that I live in. So I'm not, a super big fan of coming down here unless I need to, do a little bit of shopping or buy something. This is where I normally come. But yeah, we'll run in there, grab a quick haircut, and then we'll go to Miyashita Park, and then maybe we'll find a little place to stop for lunch. This is pachinko and slot places. These places normally open up around 10 a.m. People go absolutely crazy for these places. They usually are lining up outside of here like 30 minutes before it opens just because they want to get their own special seat. So 10 minutes and $10 later, we have our haircut, and now we are going to take a walk, and we are going to try to find Miyashita Park. So Shibuya has actually been under a period of sort of revitalization. They have a several-year plan where they're trying to change what the city looks like. They're trying to revitalize it and just put some new things, some new construction in Miyashita Park. It's kind of a really unique city park, so let's go and check this out. Here it is, coming right out of that tunnel we just walked through, down this really actually quiet street. Shibuya is really not so crowded today. And right up those stairs and up that escalator, it's kind of like an elevated man-made park. Let's go check it out now. We go up to the park itself. I just noticed this for the first time down here. They have all these food stalls right in front of me. So I'm just going to flip the camera around and just show you guys some of these. This looks really interesting. This might be a good place for lunch later. This could be some Okinawan style food here. Go up and take a look at this menu. Some ramen, yakitori. Very cool. Yeah, we'll come down here a little bit later when it opens, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this before we jump up to the park. Heading up the stairs to the park itself. I think up here, in addition to it being a park, I believe they actually have like a little skate park up here as well, so let's check that out. Looks like they have a little rock climbing wall there. Bouldering wall looks like it's about 500 yen per time for 2 hours. That's not bad actually. Yeah, 500 yen for 2 hours, 250 yen for 1 hour. Not bad at all. They also have a little sand area. I'm not sure what they do here. Maybe they do beach volleyball on the weekend, something like that. A few little food trucks. So there's actually a Starbucks up there as well. Now we're going to walk down to the other side of the park. Down at this end, this is actually the skate park, and I can see a couple people are actually skateboarding, so maybe we'll get to see something kind of cool. There are some really good skateboarders in Japan. If you guys have seen the recent Olympics, Japan was crushing it in skateboarding. So let's see who's up there. Like the shops actually don't open here for about 30 more minutes, so I might just end up ending the video here. If that's it, if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a like, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, tell me your thoughts about Shibuya, tell me your thoughts about Yamashita Park, and if I ended up finding someplace else for lunch, I might throw that in the video, I might not. But anyway guys, that's about all I got for today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.